Red-tailed catfish, Fractocephalus hemialeopterus, is a large species of catfish native to South America, specifically the Amazon and Orinoco River basins. They are highly sought after by aquarium enthusiasts for their striking appearance, but are also consumed as a food source in some parts of their native range. Physical characteristics: red-tailed catfish can grow up to 5 feet in length and weigh over 100 pounds, making them one of the largest catfish species in the world. They have a distinctive red-orange coloration on the lower half of their body, while the upper half is a darker grey or black. The most striking feature is their long, red-tail fin, which can be as long as the rest of their body. They also have sharp, serrated spines on their dorsal and pectoral fins, which can cause injury if not handled carefully. Behavior and habitat: red-tailed catfish are primarily nocturnal and tend to be solitary creatures in the wild, though they may form small groups during breeding season. They are bottom dwellers, typically found in slow-moving rivers and streams with muddy or sandy substrates, and are also known to inhabit lakes and reservoirs. They are carnivorous and will eat a variety of prey including fish, crustaceans, and even small mammals. Captivity: red-tailed catfish require a very large aquarium or pond to thrive, as they grow quickly and can become too large for most home aquariums within a few years. They also require excellent water quality and filtration due to their large size and high waste output. Varied diet of high-quality pellets, frozen or live fish, and shrimp is recommended. Due to their sharp spines and large size, they should only be handled by experienced aquarists or professionals. Breeding: in the wild, red-tailed catfish typically breed during the rainy season when water levels are high. During this time, males will stake out a territory and court females by swimming alongside them and rubbing their bodies together. After fertilization, females will lay their eggs on a flat surface such as a rock or log. Both parents will guard the eggs until they hatch in about 2 to 3 days. The young are initially cared for by the male, who will defend them against predators until they are able to swim on their own. Aquarium size: as I mentioned earlier, red-tailed catfish can grow very large and require a very large aquarium or pond to accommodate their size. Minimum tank size of 1,000 gallons is recommended for a single adult red-tailed catfish, and larger tanks or ponds are preferable. Due to their large size, they also require strong filtration and regular water changes to maintain good water quality. Potential problems: red-tailed catfish can be prone to health problems such as bacterial infections, parasites, and fungal diseases. They may also become aggressive towards other fish in the tank, especially if they are smaller and can fit in their mouth. In addition, their large size and sharp spines can pose a risk to the aquarist during handling or maintenance. In the wild, red-tailed catfish are an important part of their native ecosystems, serving as predators and scavengers that help keep populations of smaller fish and invertebrates in check. They are also an important food source for humans in many parts of their range. However, overfishing and habitat destruction are threatening populations of red-tailed catfish in some areas. Overall, the red-tailed catfish is a remarkable species that requires careful consideration and responsible ownership in order to thrive in captivity. By providing them with a suitable environment, a varied and nutritious diet, and regular care, aquarists can enjoy the beauty and majesty of these amazing fish while also supporting efforts to conserve their populations in the wild. Conservation status: while red-tailed catfish are not currently classified as threatened or endangered, they are facing increasing pressure from overfishing and habitat destruction in their native range. In addition, their popularity in the aquarium trade has led to concerns about the potential for the release of these large fish into non-native habitats where they could negatively impact local ecosystems. Conclusion: the red-tailed catfish is a fascinating and impressive species of catfish, but one that requires careful consideration and responsible ownership in order to thrive in captivity and to ensure the preservation of their populations in the wild.